been investing into the stock market for the past 10 years, and I've learned so much about how investing works. The truth is, I've made a lot of money through investing and will continue to make money in the future as well. Investing can look scary at first, but once you start and are consistent for the long term, it will definitely pay off. When you first start off, one of the most important decisions that you can make is choosing the brokerage firm to invest with. Hey guys, my name is Paul, and in this video, we'll be going over a quick M1 Finance investing tutorial for beginners in under 5 minutes. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to get started with investing through M1 Finance. Let's dive right in. So once you sign up and make a deposit into your account, you can come into the app here and see this homepage with how much money you have in your account. And let's say you want to buy a stock. All you would have to do is click the invest icon at the very bottom. So with M1 Finance, they come with something called pies and slices. A pie is like a group of investments. You can use them to organize your stocks and ETFs that you want to buy and then automate your strategy. You can think of a pie as like a pizza. Let's say you have a pizza with 8 slices, right? And you want to buy different stocks for each slice. So first thing you would do is set up a pie and then choose the investments that you want inside the pie and then pretty much determine how much of each stock you want to buy in that pie. Let me give you an example. So let's look at some of the pies that I have here. So I have technology, dividend ETFs, finance, real estate, food, healthcare, and more. So let's go back to technology. Click on that. And you can see that I have currently 4 stocks in this pie. I have Broadcom, Lockheed Martin, Microsoft, and Apple. So if you look at the percentages down here, you can see 2 percentages. The left side percentage pretty much tells you what percent of the pie the stock takes up, and the right side percentage is the percentage that you have set from the beginning. The left side percentage fluctuates because the stock price increases and decreases, but it tries its best to hit that percentage that you have set. So let's say you're someone who's brand new to this app and you want to create your own pie. All you would have to do is click on the top left icon here and click on My Pies. So once you're in this page, you're going to have your own main account. For me, it's called Dividends for Life. All you would do is build a stock and fund pie. You can name it whatever you want. So let's say I want to name it Technology. Click on Done. Then inside of Technology, you're going to pretty much add a slice. So let's say you want to put in Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and Alphabet, which is Google. Click on Done. So you've made your technology pie with 4 different stocks. You can change the weight and the percentage of how much you want each stock. So I'm just going to keep it all 25%. Then click on Save. So now that you've made your technology pie, how do you add it as a slice into your main pie? So all you'd have to do is click on these 3 little dots next to your main pie. Click on View Edit. And then you're going to pretty much click Add Slice. And then we're going to go out to the very top and click on My Pies here. And you're going to scroll down to your technology right here that you've created. So click Add, and then click Done. And since you've added a new pie to your main pie, you're going to have to rebalance the percentages of each pie inside your main pie. So just set that up and then click Save. The great thing about M1 Finance is that once you have your pie set up however you want to, you can literally just put in money every single day and have your investing automated. Now, how do you do that? All you have to do is pretty much swipe up on this line and you'll see some options for buy, sell, rebalance, edit, share, and auto invest. So what auto invest is pretty much you set how much you want to buy every single day, and every weekday at around 6:30 in the morning, M1 Finance will just invest into your pie, and pretty much what that does is your money gets spread around all the stocks in the pie automatically. It's super easy. All you have to do is click on auto invest here and have it switched on and set your auto invest minimum. So you can set that to $100, $5, $50, whatever you want to. Let's say I want to do $5, click continue, and yeah, turn on auto invest to invest any amount that exceeds 25 of your minimum cash balance. And all you have to do is chill out, relax, and let M1 Finance do all the investing for you. If you want to sign up for M1 Finance and want to help support the channel, use my referral link down below to sign up, and you'll receive $75 for free. So now that you know how to invest, let's go over some other portions of the app. So click on the left icon at the top here. You can see some news here. So in this tab, you can see some market news. You can see the markets, how they're doing, some top stories in the finance world, and it's very informative. Next, let's look at the next tab. So stocks. You can see Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and some stocks that you can possibly buy. Let's click on Visa. You can see how well the stock has done in the past year to date, 1 year, 2 years, and 5 years. You can see some key data and some prices and some news regarding the stock. You can see some funds here. So these are going to be ETFs and index funds. So SPY, VOO, VTI. Let's click on VTI here. This is one of my personal favorite funds that I buy every month. You can see year to date, 1 year, 2 year, and 5 years. 5 years is up 80%, which is great. You can see some key data, the prices, and some news regarding the ETF. You can also look at crypto if you want. There's some model portfolios as well. So general investing, plan for retirement, responsible investing, income earners, just stocks and bonds and other strategies, which is kind of like portfolios that are already pre-made for you. So let's click on general investing. Let's click on that. So you can choose ultra conservative through ultra aggressive. So let's choose ultra aggressive since we're young. And pretty much it's going to give you the targets of what it invests in and the percentages. And then you can also look at the details. So click on details here. You can see the holdings, expenses, dividend yield, 1 to 5 year returns. And yeah, that's about it. Now, once you go back, you can see my pies. So you can see the pies that you currently have that you can add to your main account, which is great. And last but not least, we have watch list, which is where you can add stocks that you want to watch. Overall, M1 Finance is really, really great simply because it allows you to invest automatically and without any worry. Personally, I really love using M1 Finance because it allows me to invest automatically, worry-free. Like I mentioned before, if you want to help support the channel and want to sign up for M1 Finance, use my referral link down below and you will make $75 for free. And that's it. That was a quick overview of the M1 Finance investment app. M1 Finance is a great app to use for investing, so I hope you learned a lot through this video. I tried to make this video as quick as possible for you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.